Well, following a knee replacement, most patients just have a very simple goal in mind, and that is just to get back up and start walking.
That's for sure. But for one Arkansas woman, that doesn't even compare to what she's hoping to accomplish. In this week's Living Well report, our Claire Kreitz shows us how she's taking her recovery to a whole new level.
Push by push, curl by curl. Kimberly Walker runs through various exercises with Baptist Health Rehabilitation Institute physical therapist Todd Hobson.
We did a lot of bending, straightening, trying to get the muscles working again.
Walker had a knee replacement less than 6 months ago.
It's been a lot of work. It's almost like training for an Ironman.
And she knows exactly what it takes to complete the toughest of all triathlons.
I wanted to be an Ironman. I wanted to cross that finish line.
She set that goal more than a decade ago. In her first race, she got sick in her 2.4-mile swim during the 112-mile bike ride.
I actually got hit by a car.
But yet she got back up, had to run a full marathon, and still finished the race with several hours to spare.
You are so tired, and at that moment, if somebody said, "Are you going to do another Ironman?" your first answer is absolutely not.
That was in 2012.
I've completed 6, and I just started training for my 7th.
But that training came to a halt. With the original accident and all the races since, she started having major knee pain.
I had a hard time bending my knee. I had a hard time walking. And I knew if I wanted to continue any kind of sports, I was going to have to get my knee replaced.
That's what led her here. Now, just a few months out from surgery, the goal of completing her 7th Ironman remains.
It was a steep ask. It's a tough hill to climb.
Using the same determination she had in race number 1, she's now crossing the finish line of her rehab program and moving into the next steps of her training.
I am back to power walking, and I am outdoor riding again.
Although this Ironman will look different.
I'm not going to be able to run, so I will be power walking the entire marathon.
She says it'll be even more rewarding, reaching a goal she didn't know would be possible.
I didn't think that I'd ever have a chance to have a 7th Ironman. But this knee replacement has set me up for success.
Oh, we wish her the absolute best. That was Claire Kreitz reporting. Hobson says the biggest thing that led to Walker's success is her work ethic. She didn't just do the exercises with him at the Rehabilitation Institute. She also did work at home. Good luck.